We just arrived here. Check 6:30 here in Tagum. So we departed quite late, no, sa Jansan. Mga past 1 PM. Pagkatapos na flag down pa kami ng highway patrol group sa Baluyan because no registration yung sasakyan. So if you observe yung Tagum City, no, gabi ngayon, but yung famous siya for mga palm trees, then very walkable. Matagal na rin kaming hindi naka overnight dito. Before kasi we had an overnight, we stayed here overnight. Then what is new here, of course, yung Robinson's Place nila, yung Tagum. So we're supposed to drive to Trento, no, but medyo gabi na, so we're taking our time. Anyway, it's vacation, so we can also enjoy yung day na schedule. Campaign season na pala ngayon, no? Ano? Ingay, na a month before the elections. All politicians are yan, Robinson's Place. So, yung mga small pa kasing mga kids before, no, before COVID, dito kami pupunta a long time ago. And medyo clearer na view ng mga palm trees. And papasok tayo dito here, ha? Mago. Mago. Ang ganda yung kanila dito. Set up mo. Yung entrance nila. Ibig sabihin yan. Saan tayo? Food. Where do we eat? Ikot mo na? Okay. Sige. Where? Okay.